Welcome to week 2 of 4033 Content Area Reading. We know that reading comprehension is an active process. It requires us to think about our own thinking, or metacognition. Metacognition is developed by using questions before, during, and after reading. During the next 3 weeks, we will take a closer look at the activities teachers can use to build vocabulary and background knowledge, including read-alouds and shared reading. This week in Chapter 4, Differentiated Models and Strategies for Reading, the authors explain those differentiated models and strategies of reading to us. For example, adjustable assignment, curriculum compacting, centers and stations, project-based, problem solving, independent choice, guided reading, language experience, shared reading, read aloud, and the 4-block model. So they cover a lot in Chapter 4. By the end of this week, you will be able to speak about the different types of models and strategies of reading, different types of text structure, and how they assist in understanding of informational text, and the relationship between reading and writing and how to use writing as a tool. Homework assignments for this week. Make sure that you have watched the instructor video for week 2. You're reading Chapter 4 in the Chapman and King text. There are 2 PowerPoints and a short passage on text structure. You are to explain the importance of understanding text structure in nonfiction and informational text and how it aids in comprehension. How do anticipatory activities build background knowledge? And why is that critical to comprehension? Your post is due by Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. And you're going to respond to 2 classmates by Saturday at 11:59. I need to go in and change this on every week because it is 2 responses. Then you're going to have a written description of the video presentation. The presentation is actually due week 4. I just want a written description this week of what your presentation is going to be about. For example, if I'm going to do a KWL chart, I would write KWL, Misty Flowers, and then I'm going to talk about if I'm going to be doing this in a small group of students, if I'm going to do it with 1 student, what I will need to use, and how I will teach the strategy. So here is a longer example. I will be making a KWL chart with a small group, 5 second graders, prior to reading a selection about whales. As we read, we will fill in the L portion of the chart. Remember, the actual video presentation for topic 1 will be due week 4. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask me. This PowerPoint is about the 3-part model of reading. Bear with me. This model discusses getting ready to learn or before reading, during reading, and after or post reading. There's also a topic about learning vocabulary and strategy instruction. Here are patterns of text structure that are found in informational text. These are found in trade books as well as textbooks. When we talk about structure, it's the way the text is organized. Does the author describe a topic by listing characteristics, features, and examples to help the reader visualize? Does the author list things in numerical or chronological order? Does the author discuss two or more ideas, events, or phenomena showing how they are alike or different? Does the author list one or more causes and the resulting effect, explanations, or reasons for phenomena? Does the author state a problem and list one or more possible solutions? Does the author use a system of arranging related things in groups? Does the author classify things? Does the author pose a question about a topic or an event or a concept and present causes and offer solutions? So these are ways that authors organize text. Text structure is completely different than text features. Text features are headings, bold print, glossary, diagrams, maps. What I want you to know is that text structure is the way the author organizes the text, and there's different patterns that authors use. Here are your assignments. Again, if you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you.